So before we get to the teardown, I just wanted to show what a good change of spark plugs can do. This thing has never idled this smoothly before. It's idling. There's no fluctuation. It's just smooth. There's no real... Oh my god, this thing is a winner. Oh my god. I paid $333.50 for this. There's no erratic... Nothing's... Oh my god, this is just win. Have not seen the thermostat go up. So that's a bit weird. Still though, this thing is just really, really nice. I did fix the wiring. This is just incredible. Clean air filter, I fixed up the wires, and the new spark plugs. Hot diggity dog. Unbelievable. One last view of the old interior. Cleanout time. Well, hot damn, we got the entire interior out. Very small little rough spots. I gotta get that little piece of carpet I was sitting on. A lot of spillage back here that stuck the mat down. New headliners in. It's nice. And a lot of shit got thrown on the ground over here. Gotta wash that to hell. New carpets right here. A little more vacuuming and good to go. Alright, further update. Carpet's in. A little dirty in here, but it's showing up a lot less than it is on camera. Just cleaned the seats, so they're a little bit wet. This is coming a long way. Next day, unfortunately, it just rained, so my car got a little more wet than I wanted to. Yep, but new seats are in, new interior is in. That stain ain't going away. It's in there too long, but I got most of it out. Tools get a little wet too. Well, it's not bad though. It's just a little rain. Headliner's still good. Keeping all that water out. Didn't do those lights yet. Still gotta do that. Nothing out the door really. But yeah, not too shabby. Do more in a little bit. So follow up. This is how bad the carpets were in this thing. Oh god. Gross. She's got a little micro bath, got some like junk out of her. Now I'm just gonna clean up and call it a day. So doing the e-brakes here, I gotta adjust it ever so slightly. The little adjuster is this guy right here, the auto adjuster, which does not work right. I gotta keep on tapping it like 3 times for it to move 3 teeth. That's why this thing was rattling. Look at that exhaust, god damn. Yeah, that's the only reason this thing is making that rattle. Rat-tat-tat. Oh well, back at it. Update time. So new rims are on. Well, new-ish rims. Ironically, these are actually a size smaller, an inch, than the ones that I had on here. Did not know that. But new rims look pretty goddamn good. I found my new current favorite toy. So if you notice, the badging is mostly gone. 1 second. Let's see. Yeah, I love this thing. Hard to do this thing with one hand. But yeah, takes it. Using that one then, takes it all off. Even the window one was taken off. Just to show you how nice this thing is. All hail Amazon purchases. Let's see if I can balance this on the vacuum. Damn it. Alright, 1 second. Let's see, can I lift up one side just enough? Survey says no. Oh wait. Rug doctor. Come on. Just bounce a little bit. Rug doctor for the win. This thing is degradable, but alright, be back. Some days you can't win. Alright, round 2. I can find that nice bouncing point again. All I need is an inch. Let's try this. Beautiful. Okay. Hey babe. I'm not sure. Start 1 second.
That's nice. Only need to paint.
Yep.
Still a good toy.
Let's see, is that either paint or was that glue? Alright, way too long in that spot. But, yeah. Took it all off. Advertised online for like 50, Amazon 20 bucks. It wins. Leaving that one on there. I like that one. because this marks everything I know in life right now. Be back. Alright, so gotta replace the alternator because I'm tired of dealing with this bullshit. Got a brand new one right there. Had a nice newer rims on it. It's weird though, even though they're newer, they're smaller. Found that out. Also got a nice set of 4 used newish tires. Because the one back here is fucked, but still holding air. Also got a little something done for the Tahoe out there. But yeah, so these belts are incredibly annoying. I have to pop off the tension pulley. Down there again. And then I got to pop off the alternator, which has 3 bolts. And some plugs. Oh, there we go.